Yeah, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to make buttons that are world space, because this is important for the information that we're supposed to be making for our models, right? So the first thing that you need to do, and make an example with this model. Let me show. Okay, sharp, there is canvas. So the first thing that you would need to do is to find the model where it is and the root of the model. You then right click and go to UI and look for maybe button, because that's what we need. We need a button. But then what's most interesting is the fact that when you click canvas, right? When you click canvas, you realize that it says the render mode screen space overlay, right? You need to change this from screen space. Screen space basically means the space on your screen. $1. It basically means that space, like whatever button that you put is gonna stick on the screen. But what we want is world space, right? And then it's gonna ask you to send an event camera. You must take the camera of the scene, right? And you move it there, you move it across, right? Once we have this, you now have to find this button. Where is this button sitting? You see this button, it's way big and it's way far. So the easiest way to move it there in the object, because the object is sitting here, right? So we need to get this button closer to the model. So how do we do that? You have to select the canvas, right? And you change the arrow into a scale mode, and you scale the canvas together with that button to be small, and then you minimize and you move it closer, right? You minimize and you move it closer here. No, sorry. You move it here. You minimize it until you could see now that it's closer to the model, right? Let's move the canvas. You could see now it's closer to the model. Even when you move the canvas, you could see that that button, it's now engaging with the model. So what we could do, we could still go small, move the canvas small, right, until it fits the model. It's there, or fits the model perfectly. And then from this point now, the only thing that you need to change is the button, what size the button should be. I think 60 by 60. Let's check how big is that. Maybe let's go 30 by 30. 30 by 30. And there should be a nice annotation button there, right? So we do have a button. Let me just close off these gizmos so that you guys can be able to see. We do then have a button close to where we want to. So we can move this button in all ways. Okay. We can move this button and align how we want to it be aligned. Then the next thing that we're gonna do, because we don't need the text, we have to delete the text of the button. Now the next thing that you wanna do, you wanna come to this platform, but because you're using the file that already has this thing, these buttons, you don't have to come here. You can look for button here. You see, you can have that one. Always choose white. Always make sure that it's white. How do you change the color? You just come to edit color and move this to be white and download that. Ne? But because we already have these assets in the product, let's do this. Because we already have them inside here in the product, the only thing that we could do, it's basically we can look for it. It's under UI. It's under UI and look for the button. So you can choose whatever button that you want, or just check in others which button have I used, you know. So maybe let's choose this one and select button, and we drag the radio button there. There it looks nice and proper. So guys, that's basically how you put the button on the model. This is how you are able to put the button on the model. You have to use a world space for you to be able to do that magic. Right, so with that being said, you can start populating this button across this model that you are busy with. Look for an example on the internet, for instance, skeleton labeling. Right, and then look for the example. You could see this is the example. Then look for the labels. How did they label this? And then you would do the same with the model that you are provided. But I'm just showing you an example here, you know. So with that being said, halala.